Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some instant savings, 5 off 25s, and some more daily deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other videos that you might want to go and check out. We've got exclusive coupons, we've got month-long savings, we've got new coupons for this week, new glitches, new clearance markdowns, new penny list. I mean, you name it, the deals are on fire. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, first up, I've already received a couple of questions about this, so we're going to go over instant savings. Specifically, this week at Dollar General, we have an instant savings on Purina pet food, treats, and Tidy Cats cat litter. You're going to instantly save $5 when you spend $25 on those items. Now, I wanted to make things a little bit easier for us this week, and I went ahead and put together all of the coupon matchups and DG cashback offers that we have that will work with this Purina instant savings. So y'all keep in mind you can mix and match however you would like. However, here in just a couple of minutes, I am going to be sharing some deals where we are going to stack our instant savings with our 5 off $25 coupons for this Saturday. Just as a quick little refresher, anytime that we add instant savings onto our 5 off $25 scenarios, we have to add that amount to our subtotal threshold. So with our regular 5 off 25s, we only have to get our subtotal up to $25. However, since we are adding on this instant savings, our subtotal needs to be $30 because we are adding $5 in instant savings. The instant savings comes off first, and then our 5 off $25 coupon will apply. Now, in the past, we have had some glitches with this specific instant savings, but unfortunately, we will not know if it's going to glitch until Saturday. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. And until then, we're going to go ahead and plan accordingly. So here's the first scenario. Pick up one 13-pound bag of the Purina dog food at $26 and one of the dog treats for $6. That's going to put your subtotal at $32 after the instant savings and all the coupons come off. That is going to leave you paying $16 for 2. Now for this next deal, you want to pick up 5 of the Purina Puppy Chow 4-pound bags at $7.25 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $36.25 after the instant savings and coupons come off. That's going to leave you paying $26.25 for all 5 items. But we do have that DG cashback offer, so you're going to get a total of $7.50 back. That's going to make your final price $18.75 for 5 bags of Puppy Chow. Now here's a little alternative version for this deal. You can pick up 4 of the 4-pound bags of Purina Puppy Chow and 1 of the Purina cans or dog treats at $1. Make sure you scan the item and make sure the instant savings shows up underneath. That's going to put your subtotal at $30. The $5 in instant savings will come off first, then your coupons. That's going to leave you paying $20 for all 5 products. Then you're going to get back a total of $6 in DG cash, making your final price $14 for all 5 items. All right, for this next one, you want to pick up 1 2.8-pound bags of Purina cat food at $9, one of the Purina canned cat foods at $1.35, a 12-pound bag of the Purina complete cat food at $17, and a 3.5-pound bag of Purina Friskies for $5.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.60. After the instant savings and all of your digital coupons come off, that's going to leave you paying $19.25 for all 4 items. But then we're going to get back some DG cash, 50 cents on the bag of Friskies, and if it stacks with that coupon, $2 back on the Purina complete. Final price $16.75 for all 4 items. All right, now for this next one, you want to pick up 2 of the 16-pound bags of the Friskies dry cat food. That's going to put your subtotal at $32 after the instant savings and your 5 off 25 come off. That's going to leave you paying $22, but then you're going to get back $2 in DG cash. That's going to make your final price $20 for 2 bags. All right, now we're going to move on into some daily deals, and you guys keep in mind you can include these in with your 5 off $25 scenarios. So up first, we have our Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Bubblies on sale this week, 3 for $11. And we have a DG cashback offer on the Bubblies, $1 back when you purchase 2, so that's going to make your final price $10 for 3. And also right now on Fetch Rewards, we have an amazing rebate for 1,500 points back, which is the equivalent of $1.50. And you can do this deal 3 times. But don't forget, we still have our 3 off 2 Pepsi and Frito-Lay DG store coupons. So let's go ahead and turn this into a deal, shall we? So let's pick up 3 of the Bubbly 8-packs for $11 and 1 of the Frito-Lay dips for $3.30. After that digital coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $11.30 for 4. Then you're getting back $1 in DG cash and $4.50 back on Fetch Rewards. That's going to make your final price $5.80 for all 4 items, making each one just $1.45 each. Now, like I said, DG is on fire this week and the deals just keep coming. So here we have some 2 liters, Mug, Crush, Brisk, and Starry on sale this week, 5 for $5. But what I want y'all to focus on are the Starry 2 liters because those do work with our 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's DG store coupons. So we're going to pick up 5 of the Starry 2 liters and then we're going to throw in one of the Frito-Lay variety packs. 10 count. Those are priced at $6.25. And after our 3 off 2 DG store coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying $8.25 for all 6 items, making each one just $1.37 each. Now, I think this is a fantastic deal, especially if you've got a bunch of kiddos stuck at home right now because of all the weather. But if this deal isn't for you, maybe this one will work better. Here, we're going to pick up 5 of the Starry 2 liters on sale, 5 for $5, and one of the Frito-Lay dips. You can also substitute that out with just 1 bag of chips. That's going to leave you paying $5.30 for all 6 items. Again, don't forget to scan your receipts and do Fetch Rewards because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a bonus on the Starry products for when you spend $5 on Starry products, you are going to get back 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2, making these deals even sweeter. All right, guys, now on the last few minutes of this video, I'm going to leave you guys with some coupon matchups, some cashback offers. Like I said, Dollar General is on fire this week, and we have so little time to talk about all of the deals. So I'm just going to add a bunch of these deals here at the end. Like I said, we have tons of coupons, cashback offers, fantastic deals, great to throw in with your 5 off 25s, or great to put them in your back pocket for substitutions for this Saturday. Now, I am curious, so please let me know down in the comment section below how many of you do plan on going out on Saturday and doing some scenarios. I know that a lot of us have been stuck in this weather, in the snow, in the ice all week long, but hopefully, for the majority, hopefully all of that is clearing up and moving out. But let me know. I know that a lot of places are still dealing with a lot of snow and ice on the roads. So let me know down in the comment section below, what are your plans? I also want to give you guys a quick little heads up. I can't say too much, but I can tell you all that your girl's been working hard. I have a little project going on behind the scenes, and I think you guys are really going to like it. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to share this with you all. It's definitely been a big project for me, and it continues to grow. Every time I sit down and start thinking, I'm like, oh, that's I got to do that now. So I'm really excited about it. I hope that you guys will get excited with me, and hopefully it's going to save a lot of people a lot of money. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned, turn on your notifications, and I'll give you another heads up when it gets closer to that time, all right? So that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.